majina mimi ni Youth Leader Lamek Muga, bunge la mwananchi Jakaranda.
Simama tu hapo.
Look at the camera.
Simama tu hapo.
Asante sana Bwana Spika. Nataka kuingilia direct mpaka mada ya World Health Organization Bwana Spika. And I would like this information to go to direct to the head or the chair of UN, His Excellency Antonio Guterres. Based on the principles and the fundamental agreement that were agreed upon the diminishing of 1945 World War II, the UN is proving from time to time to be failing. For example, here in Africa, UN has failed severally. You see our brothers and sisters are killing themselves here in DRC Congo. Somalia is not working properly. Uganda is one of them. Therefore, even if US has decided to withdraw from World Health Organization, it is very due, Mr. Speaker. UN must first convince that Africans are also equal countries like any other country of the world. Therefore, even if US has decided to withdraw from its, if UN has decided to withdraw her services from World Health Organization, it is due. Therefore, UN as an organization, you must come out clearly and address the problems that the world is facing. But I only have one plea to USA, because you know we are having a common trade between us and them. Because it is in Kenya, bila sisi US hawawezi uza mitumba. Si ni kweli? Sisi ndio major market yao. So they depend on us, Mr. Speaker. Again, we also depend on them kupata drugs. Unaona? Madawa hii yenye inatutibu hapa. Therefore, mimi ningependa kuomba His Excellency Donald Trump, even as you make this move, do not forsake Kenya. Naingia direct mpaka hii mambo ya Rigiji. It is true, Mr. Speaker, that northeastern part of Kenya is still lagging behind as far as development is concerned, Mr. Speaker. But I also want to tell Rigathi Gachagua, the false prophet, Mr. Truthful Man, you cannot tell us that now because you've been impeached, you now start claiming that you know everything that is happening in Kenya. By the time when you are waking at 5 unaenda kufanya kazi ya Raila, do you think we can forget that? You know, whoever comes for justice must always come with a clean hand. Therefore, Rigathi Gachagua, wewe ni wa Munyoro, deal na DCP. Hii mambo, you are losing focus, my brother. And I want to remind Nyungu ya Mawe, your brother is impeached. And once he is impeached, he remains to be impeached, Bwana Speaker. Mr. Speaker, as I conclude, nataka kuongelea mambo ya Mama Aida na hii position amepewa kwa serikali. Mama Aida, kuja kwa kamera.
Mr. Speaker, the member here, I think is not going straight to the
Introduce
point.
yourself first.
My name is Enoch Odhiambo, incoming MC Lower Savannah Ward.
Not MP.
Not MP, tuliache tuko hapa chini. So Mr. Speaker, my point of concern is, see, when an intellect is here and you want to
Ask a question,
scrutinize
ask a
someone,
question, not lecturing me.
so who do you have to be lectured on? Hawa tu diploma wanajionanga aje. What is the mistake of Gachagua saying that Northeastern there's no problem with impeachment? How does those things interconject? How do you connect impeachment of Rigathi Gachagua to development claims that he's making in Northeastern? Is it wrong for someone to say that there's no development because he's impeached?
When did he realize?
When did you, not even when he realized, we are not even interested on when he realized. If a mistake is evident, it's